Let's move to the next string with a new note. The third string is tuned to D and is therefore called the D string. You'll notice that this note doesn't need any ledger lines in the notation. It's placed just underneath the first note line. So we can get familiar with the D string, let's play quarter notes as indicated in the score. The next song uses a mix of different note values, including the whole note. Everything is played entirely on the D string.